Hey guys, it's Brittany. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returner, then what's up? So today I am going to do a flip through of the things that came inside of the Be Happy box. I've already went over this cool sticker pack and these stickers, as well as this pressed floral sticker book. So be sure to check out my previous video. If you haven't already done so, I'll be sure to link it in the cards above. But today we are going to go over the next two sticker books. So the first book that I am going to flip through is going to be this Sophisticated Florals. This book is definitely giving me modern farmhouse vibes just from the outside. Now, I have not flipped through these sticker books since I received them. However, I have seen some other planner babes flip through on YouTube. So here we go. So we have this page here, which has lots of decorative stickers. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. This has lots of decorative stickers with the copper foil, or rose gold foil, I guess this is. So I'm gonna tell you guys what each one of them says. Dreams are for chasing, find the joy today, bloom with grace. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. And then this is just a decorative box. On the side here, this says it's a plan, let's go and grow. This last sticker here says joy begins with gratitude. A decorative box here, get it done, noted, full of gratitude today, and then blossom. It's time for coffee. Enjoy the little moments. It's a perfect day to start. Hopefully you guys can kind of see this. This book is really light, and from my end, it looks like it's hard to see. I'm gonna turn my camera exposure down a little bit. Always radiate love. No rain, no flowers. Dreams are for chasing. This is really cute, just a decorative box. So this one says, let us live like flowers, wild and beautiful and drenched in sun. Remember, on the side, you just have some today stickers as well as tomorrow and to do. I haven't seen a lot of the tomorrow stickers, so that's really cool. We have some double boxes, enjoy the little moments, bloom with grace, let go and grow. And then, ooh, these are some different checklists. I don't think we've seen these before, but those are cute, and they're giving us black checklists. That is what's up. I like that. Here we have some functional stickers. I'm gonna turn it this way just so I can kind of see it. Check-in, important, reflect, and then check-in, today, reflect, check-in, and important. This one is check-in, remember, me time, and then it repeats itself again. So kind of some of the same quotes over here, and they are going this way, so they're not running up and down. The wording is going from left to right, which is kind of cool. Here are some clear stickers. You have a little floral, today, enjoy the little moments, blossom, find joy. These are cute. Very sophisticated. I think this is the perfect name for this. We have a floral with that rose gold. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. I want daisies in my hair, peace in my heart, and love in my soul. Full of gratitude, and then another decorative flower. Those are really, really cute. These are clear stickers with that rose gold foiling. You have bloom with grace. Dreams are for chasing, and then today. Those are really nice. These are really big stickers, so let go and grow. Color, some leaves and these little wreaths right here. Same thing again, but in a peach tone. Some more flowers. You can kind of use these as a border. or like as washi. Same thing again with the black. We have that same thing again, but in a smaller version. I think I like the smaller version better. Ooh, these are really pretty. This rose gold big florals. I need to remember what these are called. If you know what type of flower this is, let me know, because I really like that flower when I see it. I normally see it like with these pink and white kind of colors. The same florals again. These are really cute, all on clear paper and all with the rose gold foiling. These are the same stickers, but it's in that peach tone. They are giving you lots and lots and lots of florals in this sticker book. Once again, clear stickers just with the black outlining, no foiling. Similar to the last page, but with the rose gold foiling. Okay, functional boxes, yes. And these are a light color. These are really nice. More functional boxes. Functional boxes again. Here are a few more functional boxes. We have a different shape that we haven't really seen too much. Okay, functional boxes, these like little notepads, and then they have this little shape here. I feel like you could put a sticker here that says noted or to-do list, and you can check it off on the side. I like those. Some more of the same thing as the last page. Functional boxes again. You have some monthly, some big circles, and some smaller circles. I like to use these smaller circles to put the times of an appointment. So if I use a box and I put dentist appointment, and then I can put this on the side and put the time. So I like those little small boxes. The same thing again. Ooh, here are some little message boxes, as if, you know, you had a person and you can put it over their head. That is really cute. They say today and to do, and this kind of alternate as you go along. And it has that rose gold foiling on there. Some more functional boxes. Ooh, these are nice. They're a lot longer. If you have a horizontal, this would be good for that. That would fit perfectly in a horizontal. It could fit in a vertical too, but I definitely think about horizontal. More functional boxes. You have these two long boxes you can use on the sidebar or throughout your spread. I like that. And that was the last page of Sophisticated Florals. I think that that book has the perfect name. Last but definitely not least, this is probably the book that sold me on this box. But I had to have this because I really love purple, and I love how deep and rich the tones are in here. So we're gonna get into this book. This one is called Beauty in Florals. Y'all, look at that. Let me just turn this up for y'all. I feel like I need to make it brighter. That is so freaking gorgeous, okay? These are all decorative stickers. This one says, life is a journey, surrender with beauty, enjoy every single day, follow your heart, cherish life's best moments, be a difference maker, you got this, stay brave, beautiful, love this, be brave, the best, always wonder, and beauty. So all of these have gold foil on them. This is a page of decorative stickers, no foiling. Happy, just the decorative box with the flowers. Good days ahead. You make the world a more beautiful place. Fill your heart with dreams and your heart with wonder. Be a light in the world. Ooh, I like that because I used to have a scripture when I was a kid that I always used to say, thy word is a light unto my feet and a lamp unto my path. I think that's the correct one, but that just reminded me of that. The best day, enjoy life, so much fun, be true. We have these to-do boxes. Oh, I love this color scheme. I love these little checklist or bullet points, I guess they would be called. I love these bullet points. So you have some more bullet points and then some top threes that you can kind of use. I like that because sometimes I just want to give myself a few things to do for the day. Ooh, these are cute. What is your favorite moment of the day? How can you create moments like this again? This one says, what is one thing you're grateful to have in your life? How can you continue to show gratitude? Love my life, the best day, happy with you, hello, you're amazing, dream big, wild and free, stay true, take a moment for gratitude, take a moment for gratitude. These are really cute. I like them a lot. So you have a second page with the exact same thing, just in a different color scheme. Another page of the same thing, different color scheme, but with more foiling, lots of gold foiling. Ooh, this shape is unique. Inhale, confidence, exhale, doubt, have a grateful heart, need to do, all of these say need to do, be a difference maker, keep discovering who you are meant to be. Today, noted, today and noted, and then these all say plans. I love the variety in these books. They are giving us function. This page is all decorative. Don't forget how wildly capable you are. Your beauty is unmatched. Cherish life's best moments. Happiness is enjoying life. And then love this and best day. These are cute. I cannot wait to pull this out, okay? Today, noted, today and noted, and then good times all the way through. Reflect, reflect, today and feeling. Then you have these going down the middle. You have one row that says reflect and then one row that says feeling. So you can kind of do this as a check-in, or these would be good for your currently as well. So same page again, same message on all the stickers, just in a different color scheme. Ooh, we have this shape here, but this is really nice, this rhombus shape. It's really cute. We have some more of those here. You are great, you got this, you're beautiful, keep on going, trust yourself, with some small paper florals here. Ooh, for the monthly, these are nice. So you have monthly stickers that just say today. You can use these outside of your monthly, but I'm just referencing them as monthly. And then you have best day, be true to you, you are so rare, be kind. And we have this random blue sticker here. I haven't seen a lot of this color. I guess it's supposed to be paired with this, but that's just random. That's the first time I've seen that. And this peach color, I mean this color here. Same thing, some more functional stickers here, and then love this, best day, be kind, brave, keep going girl. You have some circle stickers, you have some different sayings on each one. I think you got this, keep going, just be brave, trust yourself, best day, today's plans, you got this, keep going, and then they just repeat. This color scheme is doing it for me. You have some more rhombus shaped stickers. You are rare. So all of these say you are rare. These say just be brave. You're okay. And then you are kind, with some more stickers here. So you can use these as the rhombus shape or diamond, or you can use them as a square, these gold accents. Oh, I love this. And the sticker says, love this, good times. You guys can't see that. I'm gonna turn this down. So these say, love this, good times, need to, plans, and then repeat in the different color schemes. I really like these. You have some washi, and these are actually clear. I'm surprised. Normally the washi strips are paper, but these are clear, which is nice. And then we have some gold foiling with some quotes. Keep discovering who you are meant to be. Happy. You make the world a more beautiful place. Enjoy life. Cherish life's best moments. And don't be afraid to be you. So those are cute as well. Love, dream. Fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. So root for each other and watch each other grow. That's really cute. This says brave. I love these stickers here. Happy. I hope there's more of them because they're so cute. And then we have some more of these stickers with different quotes going around them. Slow down and everything you are chasing will come and catch you. No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart. Make time to enjoy all the simple things life has to offer. Life is a beautiful and tough journey. Keep pushing through, if that ain't the truth. You make your world a more beautiful place to be in. Last but not least, every path you cross can change the direction of your life. True indeed. Oh my God. Y'all, I love these. Super cute, really, really love it. I'm obsessed. These are cute. Some more flowers, cute. I cannot wait to dive into this sticker book. This purple and this blue, like how deep and rich these colors are, giving me life. These sticker pages I've just shown have been all clear stickers. And this one is clear as well. More clear stickers. And this is the last page. We have these wreaths here, and then love this life and loving this. So that is really cute. That wraps up Beauty and Florals. Perfect name. I love just about everything that came in this sticker box, in this Be Happy box. I mean, I couldn't have done without the sticker storage. As you see, I didn't even put it out here. I didn't even show it. But I love how everything turns out. Everything is really, really cute. Definitely comment down below and let me know, out of these three, which one is your favorite? I'm gonna go with Beauty and Florals. Is my favorite, followed by Pressed Florals, and then Sophisticated Florals. I just love how these turned out. If you are new to my channel, sis, you made it this far, you might as well hit that subscribe button. If you are a returner, thank you for joining me for another flip through. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and girl, make sure you have that notification bell turned on so that you don't miss a video every time I upload, and I'll get at you guys in the next one. Bye.